we've picked off Old Mutual. So next, of course, has got to be the other organisation at the other side of Cape Town, and that is Sanlam, which, of course, was established in about 1918, specifically to focus on the Afrikaans community and to expand an offering in the same life cover and related financial management assets. It's grown into a big aggregator of assets, and it's got its fingers in all sorts of different pies, including a big and expanding business in Asia. Market capitalization 136.4 billion rand, price earnings ratio 14.29, dividend yield 3.89%. Doing all right, although it seems to have sort of, gone a little bit off the boil in recent reporting periods.
Exactly that. This was, you could argue, the most successful life assurer in South Africa. They didn't go overseas. They didn't waste their money. They really got investment returns, weren't bad.
Johan van Zyl, very good operational
guy. They got the costs down, good solid marketing effort, but yet the last set of results, earnings were down. And this shocked the market a little bit, because this was a little bit of a banker, this one. It was always doing well. Their Sanlam exposure always did well. And certainly the last
So what do you think happened? Did they do something in their investment portfolios and put some hedges in that they got wrong or something? Or what?
I just think the lack of top-line growth has just caught up with the expense growth. They can't cut back on the expenses anymore. And markets are going nowhere. I mean, the South African share market's gone nowhere for 2.5 years.
Yeah, so
and I think it's just caught up with them.
Oh, so it had a premium rating, and in a way maybe people have just gotten
a little bit of This was the only company, I mean, Discovery's different, but this was the only pure domestic life assurer that was trading at a premium to what's called embedded value. Now, embedded value is essentially present value of future profits.
Which it takes in all those things you talked about, all these other obligations and liabilities.
A difference between assets and liabilities, effectively.
Let's look at how that looks on the share chart. So a little bit wobbly there at the end, but not actually as bad as I thought.
No, look. I mean, to be honest, this is a truly
What about these Asian
company.
Things that they're doing, like with Shriram and Orient and Pacific and all that? Is that small-ish and not really kicking in all that much
They
yet?
are now going overseas. This is one of their 5 pillars, and a couple of them are all the woolly statements, but the true substantive ones, this is one of the 3, which is saying we are now going overseas and we're putting serious money, and they got the capital.
Which makes sense, because they're good businesses, and in these countries they're going into, they often don't have a well-developed life insurance sector.
And then you can make money. So I think that's very positive for them over the long term.
And then management, there's a transition going on, isn't there?
Not that I'm aware of, to be honest. There could easily be. I know that
because the 2 Johans have ended up going to Patrice Motsepe's African Renaissance Capital,
that's
so on and so forth.
So
Ian Kirk has come up into the helm.
Sorry,
that's
100% correct. Yes,
Just reminding myself.
Ian's come up now.
But he's
Ian for many
solid
years.
as a rock.
Yeah, and man. He of course ran the Sanlam
business
for the business.
Exactly. But he's good, so we could probably assure ourselves that we'll do okay. But hot or not?
Hot
on that.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, I'll go hot with you as well.